my gosh! Surprise! Kayang, I got your present right here.
I have a gift I was instructed to bring you, miss.
I think you'll get in trouble with Mom again if she saw me holding this.
Is that right?
Is that box for my dad? Did he send you here? So he could see how I've been doing? Know what you could tell him? That I stopped waiting to hear from him a long time ago. I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
These were your father's belongings.
And you'll see next year.
Mr. Song Gi-yeon has passed away. Before he died, he left these things for you, Ga-young.
Get an awesome present for you, okay? Kayang, I swear.